YouTube for launching new app be. I'm with a YouTube create about just and rare. Now this is actually a good news. Everybody yes more content creators and I say even bigger content creators. Into your content creator, YouTube create about be those software say you use the editing because I think say this YouTube create here be my content creation. I very simple. Say we use mobile device and I say we use tablet and I say even on your PC. Currently, I'm not saying there. I'm release a beta and I say beta a version of the software. Now it's not available in many countries. And should be only really the final part of the software and I say the alpha version of the software. Meaning say this app is very amazing. So you don't want to wait. Person only fast no download but challenge nyambo I'm say ending of this month. And I say next month, the beginning of next month. I'm better say rolling out that's the software. So until call a Play Store see I won't app and down. But other countries it's not available our country. It's in arbitrary and washing quatri VP and BR and conquer BBana. I'll copy problem amount and cause a problem about Charlie. Relax and wait. Time will be releasing a half a version. Not on my perfect BBR. Because you know that beta versions are for software testers and I say developers and people to test it out. Exactly. Until how maybe back to the problem. So this is how the app is and this is how it works. Especially this is a very simple and nice and easy interface. We have destroyed the likes of InShot, the likes of CapCut, any software you know your phones need your tablets no. We a perfect studio I'll be to me that editing. The one thing about this software is that when you also be top premium version be an BBR, the way you should be also be a free. And the way should be also free. And because of say YouTube for we now export to a more direct link to export to YouTube, no exporting. Not this one I own my name. The name is why you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.